The 2023 Ford Puma blends sporty agility with modern flair, ideal for city explorers. Experience the quick-clear heated windscreen for instant clarity on frosty mornings, while the sport suspension enhances your drive with a responsive feel that effortlessly tackles winding roads and daily commutes alike. Step inside to find a full digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster for clear, customizable information and Ford Sync 3 navigation pack for seamless connectivity. Call or visit Hendy FordStore Eastleigh today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Ford Puma. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.